Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be teaching you guys my way of applying false lashes. I'm really excited to show you guys this technique because I've been applying lashes on myself, false lashes, since I was 17 years old. And I feel that I've become a master at applying them now. I do it very quickly. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the fastest techniques and all the tools and tricks that I use. So without making this intro any longer than it has to be, let's go ahead and get started. To start off, we are going to need a tweezer. So any normal tweezer. You're going to need glue for your lashes. The one that I highly recommend, which I don't even know how I ever lived without, is the House of Lashes glue. It is amazing. It just doesn't compare to any other glue I've ever used. You can get it from their website, or you can also order it on Sephora, which I will leave the link down below. A pair of scissors in case you need to clip your eyelashes, your false lashes. Mascara, because I like to coat it with mascara after. And a mirror. This is very important. So if you want to learn how to apply your own lashes, this is one of the most important things, the key thing that you will need. This and the tweezers. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are the Lily Lashes in Style Goddess. These are amazing. Now, before I start applying the lashes, I was actually going to do this off camera, but I decided to do it on camera so that you understand how crucial it is to hide the band of the lash so that everything looks blended in nicely. Get a black eyeliner or a black eyeshadow with a pencil brush and just create a line. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna smudge it, but the purpose of this line is just to hide the band of the lash, because usually when you apply a lash without eyeliner, you can tell. This is the way you won't be able to tell. You actually want to tight line right here, which it's really hard at first because you blink, but once you get used to it, you tight line by getting the eyeliner and just right here on top of your lid, just go all the way through like this. It tickles, but it's not uncomfortable. So now I'm going to get a pencil brush and just smudge it, since it's not a perfect eyeliner, just to blend it in. Pencil brush, meaning it literally looks like a pencil brush. When you do this, it's like the smoky effect. It's like a smoky liner. And plus, it doesn't have to be perfect because the lashes are going to hide that detail. Oh my god. So is my mirror. My mirror is going to hide that detail. Alright, so as you can see, I have the liner and it's not perfect. It doesn't have to be. Nobody is going to be that close to you. And just grab the lash. The way that you pull the lash is you usually just want to press down here and go like this and slide it out. It's kind of hard to do it while I'm looking at the camera, so that you don't rip it. Okay. This lash, I've already used this lash, so I've already cut this. I believe I've cut this to the length. You do want to apply it directly to your eye before you actually glue it on, because you want to make sure that it fits. And you always want, even if it fits like perfect, you still want to clip on the end to make the lash more comfortable to wear. So no matter what, always clip about this much of your lash before you apply it, like right there, which I'm not going to because this already fits me. The next step is you are going to, another reason why you're going to glue it, and another reason why I love this glue is because you can just apply the glue directly to the rim of the lash with the brush applicator that this glue comes with. So I'm going to put glue on the rim of the lash, on the inner part of the lash. This is like the lash in the front, and I'm putting it on the inner part right here. The thicker the band, the thicker layer of glue you want to add. Reason number 3 why I love this glue is that you don't have to wait a long time for it to get tacky. So you could almost apply it immediately, but I wait a couple of seconds, and while I'm waiting, it's very important, this step right here is so important so that it cuffs your eye. You want to go like this to it, do this little trick to it right here, so that when you put it towards your eye, it's going to cup it perfectly. So now the tweezer, I used to do this just with my hands and I didn't realize how much work I was putting myself through by not using a tweezer. You're going to grab the lash right in the middle like this. I'm just gonna do this just a little bit. Oh, and I haven't even addressed the elephant in the room. I am bleach blonde, guys. I'm having fun with this color. But look how fast my roots grow. It's only been 3 weeks and it already looks like this. My hair grows very fast. It's ready to apply. You guys saw how many seconds it took me to just wave that a little bit. So now the most important thing to not struggle is, since you're clipping this from the middle, you want to hold a mirror literally right under your chin. Since I'm grabbing the lashes from the middle of the tweezer, I'm going to put it in the middle of my lash, and then I'll hold, and now all I have to do is clip the sides in. My eyes get watery sometimes when I do this. But there you go, guys. That's how easy that is. Center, corner, corner. And if you have the mirror down here, guys, this is key. The mirror down here is key. Look how fast I did that. I'm telling you. And then I just make sure it's secure. Voila! Look at the difference. This could have easily been an everyday look right here with just mascara, and then I decided to apply the lash just to give it a glam look. All I did was like a normal makeup look on my face. I say how to... Boom! Missed him. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, but speed it up for you guys. That way you could see that that same technique works on the other eye, and both your lashes come out evenly, not one up, one down. It comes out even because of the angle that you're applying it from.
I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back.
Do you guys see how easy that is? I mean, I know that it seems like I'm making it look easy, but it really is that easy. Bands that are from medium to thick are the best and easiest bands. The thinner the band, I feel that the more challenging it is to apply the lashes. I feel that the majority of people, they like to apply mascara before they apply the false lashes, but I feel that that also is very challenging if you try to apply the false lashes while your lashes are already this high. When your lashes are feathered and they're naturally without any makeup on them, it's easier for you to just like bend them and get them out of the way to put the false ones in. To finalize the look, I'm just going to now coat my false lashes with my real lashes so that they can stick together and look natural, if you will. I love this mascara, the Colosso Maybelline. But I don't go all the way up, just like I wiggle the wand and just do like in the middle, just stick them together, that's all. So they can blend in together. Here's an up close and personal. Check it out. Wait, was I pointing at it? So this is what it looks like. Nice and even. Check it out from the side. That basically concludes today's video. I hope that I was able to facilitate this whole process for you and that you're able to now apply false lashes. If you do give it a try, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know. Send me a picture on my Instagram, Amy Av Makeup, and I would love that kind of feedback. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. That really helps support my channel and it makes me appreciate and feel like you guys are really enjoying the content that I'm posting. And also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. I'll wait. It's a red button right below the video. Click on it. And I will appreciate that as well. So until my next video, I'll see you then. Babe, I'm ready for you to wine and dine me, sire. Look how different I look on this side of my face versus this side of my face. Now I know what people say when they say, oh, this is my side, this is my side. I used to think that it didn't matter to me because I usually, when I take a selfie, I face forward. But I don't think I'm too fond of this side. But I like this side.
I think we're made of something.